Wanna know how to use text blocks in Java 17? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up VS Code or any other software that you like to code with. It's your choice. Now, just open or create a Java file. And once you're there, so let's just simply get started with the text blocks right here. So before text blocks, creating multiline strings in Java, you had to use the /n or concatenate settings, which looked messy. Now you can write your multiline text by simply inside triple quotes. That is just like this right here. On the top you can see this triple quotes. This is how you can write it. So this is an example of a text box or a multiline text. So this preserves all the line breaks and indentation. It's perfect for HTML, JSON, SQL queries or any other long strings. Text blocks make your code cleaner and easier to maintain. And that's it. Super simple and easy. You can just simply copy the code and experiment it by yourself by executing. So we have also created a video on how to execute it through commands. So simply watch it as well. So I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.